Welcome to my next Excel tip number 11, precedence of calculation operators in Excel. We have several values here in those cells, and then you can see the number 7 and number 14, which is the result of calculation, and calculation formula you can see here and you can see here. It is a simple formula which added A1 to B1 and multiply with C1, and this formula you can see 2 times D1. So we need to know how Excel calculates these steps, and in mathematical world we have some priority, and for example multiplication and division is or have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So you can see the result, which is a 7, and here you can see also the right result. I'd like to tell you about functionality like debugging in a programming world. For example, if you don't know how Excel calculates every step, you can go to formulas and then you can click to evaluate formula. So you can see the same formula which have in that cell. The first part, which has higher priority in calculation, Excel underline. So you can click to evaluate and you see the result, and then Excel underlines next part of calculation. So in this case it is B1. So when I click to evaluate, I see the all steps, and then I can see the result of a whole formula. You can restart, but I would like to tell you about further possibilities in evaluate formula. For example, I click here, evaluate formula, and then also you can see the same formula. When I click evaluate, I can see the real number, which is D1, but I would like to show you a step in command. This button, when I click, you can see the part of that D1 in the window here, and you can evaluate the part of calculations, because in real practice you can have more complicated formulas, and it's better to see the relevant part of formula. So I click evaluate, you can see the result. If it is everything for you understandable, you can go to step out, and Excel returns back to main formula, and then you can click evaluate and restart again if you want. So this is very useful function. Use it in complicated formula, and thank you for your attention. Bye.